Good morning. It's Thursday morning, the 18th. How's everybody doing today? See, there's a kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, everybody. That's Snowflake, the white cat, Moo Moo, the black and white cat, and Sweetie. They're sharing. Say hi, kitty. Snowflake. Where you going? Snowflake. Honey. 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 Where you going, baby? Whoa. What are you doing? Get inside, brat. I think she's scared. Snowflake. God bless everybody. And I hope if you have a problem with me, you'll just block yourselves out of my life. Because sometimes I get people that have a smart ass. They think they're funny. If you have a problem with me, just let yourself go out of my life. I'm sorry if I added you. I'm trying to add people that I sense something from their profile picture is good, like animals or blessed frames. But there's a lot of fake bad people out there, so if you're bad, just leave. Don't laugh at me. Don't mock me. Don't make fun of me. Just check yourself out and leave. I'm not doing this for the wrong reasons. I'm just trying to share my life with other people so they can see it. There's a lot of bad people out there, and that's evil. It's the devil. I'm not the devil. I hope you guys have a good day. Pray.